It's me again, Noreen, and today is sunny day. The sky look very pretty outside, and today is 31st of July. It's actually like it is at the end of the month. Well, the time go by so quick, and yeah, I am thinking about to go to the cafe and sitting there and work a little and enjoy the food, and then I hope I can go to the beach in the evening to see sunset. And I am so happy today, yeah, to be honest, because of the clear sky make me happy. It is not easy to find a sunny day on a rainy season. So yeah, you guys see that, so pretty. Okay, I got a sticker and my iPad, and I'm gonna put it in my bag here. Okay, some of the pen. Okay. So it's a bit messy. And oh, it's my finger. Yeah, I cut myself like a few days ago. Yep. Okay, we're almost ready. Yeah. Okay, so I gotta go to the cafe and let's see. Okay, guys, we're here. At first, like I drove past this cafe because in front is what the gas station, so I didn't expect it's gonna be this cafe. But yeah, the cafe look good. I'll show you. So this is the Thai curry, spicy curry. We eat with rice noodle. Well, hi guys. I just got this book yesterday and it is so cute, but still I feel like I wanna make it, special. So I decided to paint it a little bit, write something down like affirmation word to give myself inspiration and good feeling. Last year, I found a song named July, and since I was born in July and I love it so much, so last year I started to create a video by using that song, and this year I am working on it again, and I love it so much. If you wanna see how it looks, it's just video about myself in July, but I love it so much. You can go to my Instagram and watch it there. So let's talk about this cafe. It's named Good Forest. It's combined with two words, good and forest. Forest is mean like the forest, the jungle, but in another hand, it's mean good and for and rest. Alright guys, we're done from the cafe. You can see the crowd above my head. It's very crowded outside and this side, but sunny that side anyway. So I'm thinking about maybe go to the beach or somewhere, and let's see. Oh my god, on my phone. Okay. And now we got this. Happy. We are at the beach named Bang Tao. It is in the north of Phuket, Thailand. It is like a very long beach and peace, not many people, and calm. It is so sunny, and I don't have any like sunglasses or hat or anything. I need to remind myself this is rainy season and how lucky I am being here, seeing the clear sky and listening to the wave sound and enjoy and having a good time, refresh and talk with myself. Even though the sunset today is not the best, but still we can see a little bit of sun at the horizon. It still gives me peace. It is a very good feeling. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to share you another video very soon.